Your YouTube short has been removed due to a change in video settings. Hi, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, welcome for the first time. I wanted to hop on here really quick and give you some information that I just found out. It doesn't have anything to do with crocheting, but it does have to do with YouTube. So I'm a new YouTuber. I've only been on YouTube for like a few months, and I've been working really hard on making videos. I've been surfing the internet. Actually, I've been all over YouTube watching various videos on how to increase my subscription, how to increase my viewer retention, how to make sure that people don't leave after the first few seconds. Please don't leave. You might want to hear this. Um, and uh, and so, I've been following advice on what I should do to make my YouTube channel better, right? And so one of the things that was recommended was so in the very beginning when I first started posting videos, I gave a long intro, right? And told you about myself, told you about my crocheting journey, but people don't know who I am, and so they were like clicking off the video, like they weren't even fast forwarding it to the good parts. They were just like clicking off. I guess they were bored, and so this was just for the first few videos. And so I had followed some advice of more than one YouTuber that said you can go onto YouTube Studio, and they have this great part where you can edit your video, right? You can cut, you can trim off parts of the video where you see that your viewership is plummeting, right? That you have a downward spike on. And for me, it was my intros. So the first 2 or 3 videos that I did had a long intro, and so I went ahead and I cut them, I trimmed them. No problem, it wasn't that much work. And so then I trimmed them and left them on YouTube, and YouTube in fact trimmed them, and the videos are shorter. I don't know if it worked or not because I did this just like 2 or 3 days ago. Before I had done that, I had made shorts based on each of the videos. And what I did with my shorts was I put a link in that sent it right to the video, which was cool, right? So like people watching the shorts and they were like, oh wow, that's a really cool thing, let me see the whole video. So it was working pretty well. And so I had about 1 or 2 shorts per video, and got a lot of views. I got traffic from those shorts. Really cool, right? Great. Made my videos shorter. I was doing the shorts. Everything's cool, right? Following the advice. Most of the advice is good, but I didn't follow my own rule, right? So my own rule, when I look at stuff about YouTube, is I try and find out what the downside is, right? So every time I try a new program, I read what people say negative things about it. I don't just read the positive comments, and then I also try to read like the flip side. What is the downside? Are there any other consequences, right? Well, there are. Nothing major, just more of an annoyance. And because I'm a new YouTuber, it wasn't that big a deal. But for those of you who may have been doing this for a while and have lots and lots of videos, and maybe you tried this method, and you have lots and lots of YouTube shorts, yeah. So what happened was that I got a email. Um, yeah, I got an email that said that my YouTube shorts were going to be removed. Mm-hmm. Now, I knew that if I had deleted a video, my YouTube short would get deleted. And actually, I didn't know that until I actually did it. I had deleted a video, but I had made the short, and I liked the short better than the video. But the short got deleted. So that's lesson 1 that I learned. If you're going to delete a video, your short that you made from that video will be deleted. And that's because I actually make my shorts directly from the video. I go to the YouTube and I cut the short from the video itself. I'm not making a separate short. I'm cutting it from the video. I guess that's very important for you to know. Okay, so number one, I lost the short that I made from the video. Didn't know that was going to happen. Okay, no big deal. One short, one video. Didn't like the video anyway. I just remade the short and uploaded it on its own. No problem. It's still there, by the way. So I get an email saying that my shorts were deleted. Well, why? Why were my shorts deleted? So I read the whole email, and it says because you trimmed your video. Yeah, I'm going to put it here so that you can see. And as you can see, it says because you trimmed your video. Yeah, nobody told me that. That wasn't in any of the videos. If you trim your video, they'll remove your short. And it wasn't even the short that I had posted. The part that I trimmed off is not even part of the short. It's in the middle. Yeah, so they deleted my videos, and they deleted my shorts, excuse me. They deleted my shorts, not my videos. And I don't even know which ones they are. I don't know which ones they are. So now I'm going to have to go and look through my videos, on the phone, and look through my shorts on the computer and try to figure out which ones were deleted so that I can go and remake the shorts. Yeah, so this was from 3 or 4 videos that I had, and I think it might have been 5 or 6 shorts, and they don't tell you which shorts they are or which videos they were attached to. I just happen to know which ones they were because I literally just did this like 2 or 3 days ago. So as I said before, this has nothing to do with crochet. This has nothing to do with crochet, okay? So, but I just thought that was an important thing for you guys to know. So I'm going to go now because I have some work to do. I have to go and figure out which shorts were deleted so that I can go and remake them and repost them. Well, anyway, thank you for your time. I hope this was helpful for you. So just remember, be careful. If you are going to use the trim feature on YouTube, your shorts probably will be deleted, and they will not give you any information as to which shorts they were. Okay, so as I said before, I hope this is helpful for you. And listen, if you guys want to know anything about crochet, which is what my channel is about, go ahead and hit subscribe. And if this video was helpful for you in any way, let me know in the comments. Yeah, I just wanted to make this video because I just wanted to help you, because I didn't want this to happen to you. Yeah, so let me know in the comments, did this happen to you? Did you use the trim feature on YouTube and have your shorts deleted? Did you know that was going to happen, or was it a complete surprise to you like it was to me? I'd love to know. I'd love to know. And how do you feel about that? How do you feel about them deleting your shorts? Do you think that's a good thing, a bad thing? Do you not care? I just, as I said, I just wanted to come on here and give you some information. Yeah. Okay. Well, if this was helpful, let me know. Give me a thumbs up, like. And by the way, my channel is all about crocheting. So if you're interested in crocheting, go ahead and check out some of my videos and subscribe. I hope to see some of you there. Again, I hope this video was helpful. And I'm going to go. I have work to do. I'm going to go and try to figure out which shorts were deleted. Okay. All right. I'll see you guys next time. All right. Te veo. Bye.